So the poem that I'm going to share is from a Harlem Renaissance era poet, a legend by the name of Claude Mckay. Claude Mckay was of Jamaican descent, and he, during that period where you had everyone from County Cullen to Langston Hughes, he was, to me, the poet of rebellion. And the poem that I learned in middle school is called If We Must Die by Claude Mckay. And it goes like this. If we must die, let it not be like hogs, hunted and pinned in an inglorious spot, while round us bark the mad and hungry dogs, making their mock at our accursed lot. If we must die, oh, let us nobly die, so that our precious blood may not be shed in vain, that even the monsters that we defy shall be constrained to honor us though dead. O kinsmen, we must meet the common foe, and though outnumbered, let us show us brave, and for their 1,000 blows deal one mighty death blow. What though before us lies the open grave? Like men, we'll face the murderous, cowardly pack, pressed to the wall, dying but fighting back. And I love that poem because it talks to me about, we're not the problem. Hatred is the problem, right? Racism is the problem. And also that it talks about being courageous. And to me, being courageous is not some pumped up ego or expression of ego. It's actually facing your fear. Like you're afraid, but you will do what you have to do anyway. And so this poem to me was an accurate assessment of what Black life in America is really like, and why it is important for us to have lines in the sand. And for me, our children is a line in the sand. So when you hear about the work of Journey for Justice or the organizing at the Kenwood Oakland Community Organization, and we chased Rahm Emanuel off the stage during budget hearings. We organized a hunger strike. We marched to Rahm Emanuel's house or former Alderman Will Burns' house, or we're pressuring, we blocked traffic in the middle of the street around the Obama Presidential Center, demanding a community benefits agreement, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It's not that we don't fear. It's not that we're not concerned. What will police do when they come? It is that in order for us to build power, we have to have the type of organizations that will not betray our base, will not betray our people no matter what. And so that poem says a lot to me about why we have to stand up. And again, even when we're nervous, and even when we realize what we're up against, be willing to stand up for our people, and with our people. So that's it. If We Must Die by Claude Mckay.